All right, just making sure you guys know what a bear looks like. All right, you guys can see me okay. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky here with TechBud Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing start to the week. The bears are back, baby. So NASDAQ market sold off. It tried to recover, but of course, the market is too weak, and we caught it all within our live trading session with the LPP team. Again, friendly reminder, you definitely don't have to, but we are extending our Easter sale. It's our biggest sale. It's not just $150 off, it's $175 off, and believe it or not, that is our biggest sale that we've offered probably in the past 2 to 3 years. So biggest sale, $175 off. Second link down in the description, especially if you are someone that is looking for a good deal to be able to watch me trade live every day. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and check this out. $18,000 on the day so far, right? NASDAQ market, just a beautiful overall setup. One of the things that we're testing right now is the support on the moving average. If we break below this support on the moving average, which I believe, it's just my opinion, I've been wrong, trust me, many, many times. I believe that because of how weak everything else is, it's very different than how it was on Thursday, right? Because market was closed on Friday, but on Thursday, we were testing this moving average, and then all of a sudden, it just began to recover. It was a beautiful recovery, but just all of a sudden, it began to recover. Apple stock at that time was nearly break even. So then when it did begin to recover, Apple stock began to take off. Apple stock has a large market cap, so obviously it influences other markets. Now everything is down. Apple is down even on the day, right? We can check this out. Apple is down. We have Amazon that is down. We have Meta that is down. We have Microsoft that is down. Everything looks so bearish for big tech, even Tesla, right? The big smackaroonie. Tesla a little bit more of a stronger rally, but the one that I really try to focus on the most is Apple and Microsoft. They're the ones with the larger market cap, and they are extremely bearish. And look at this. NASDAQ market now selling off. Again, I was slowing things down, looking at things on the 5-minute time frame. A beautiful setup for my re-entry on SQQQ. Again, not only did they get to see me trade live during this morning's session, but when the market sold off, I just called out my re-entry right after we actually began to break above that EMA line. I've caught this entire move up, and check that out. I'm almost at $20,000. I want to see if during this video I can hit $20,000 on the day. This is not a normal day for me, but I am making the most out of it. I am stepping on the gas, and that's the beautiful thing about the stock market, is that when direction is in your favor, you can't be afraid to step on the gas. And check that out, 19,800, 19,000, 20,000 smackaroonies. That is what I'm up on the day. Again, following my $1,800 loss on Thursday, but every other day last week was green, right? Especially after the poor week that I had 2 weeks ago. It's a really nice comeback. So very, very grateful, very, very excited. I think that if we do break below that support range on NASDAQ, we're going to have a really fun day, to say the least, right? I do want to remind you there are some concerns right now for a lot of people. Based off of what was reported last week on Friday, it looks like the market is reacting to it. It's the non-farm payrolls, the unemployment rate, all of that is showing some form of a labor market slowdown. But the big thing this week, and again, I just want to be very open with you guys, is the CPI data report and then the PPI data report on Thursday. I'll leave it up to you guys. If you want me to host that live stream for free here on YouTube, all I ask you to do is to get this video to over 1,500 likes. If you don't want me to host the live, then don't drop a like. But if you want me to host that live stream for the CPI data report and the PPI data report, smash that like button, get this thing to over 1,500 likes. I just want to make sure enough people show up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so YouTube alerts you when it is that we go live. But April 12th at 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, it's going to be a very, very important CPI data report. And the reason why is that this will pretty much determine if the market actually, right, if the Federal Reserve actually begins to pivot or pause these interest rate hikes, as a lot of people are expecting it. The big concern right now is, with the market slowing down, with the labor market slowing down, is the fear that we can go into a potential recession. And that's following the video that I uploaded yesterday, where we went from inflation being the main focus to now recession being a concern that the market has. So again, things are consistently changing. No one knows exactly what's going to happen. I'm not going to pretend like I have a crystal ball. I mean, 2 weeks ago, I literally had 4 out of 5 red days. I mean, I had a horrible trading week, and that's just the part of trading. It's just, anytime that you're not working well with the market, you need to watch your position size. And when I was having a really rough week, I mean, I was uploading every day. I was still recapping my trades, and it sucked when it was in the red. But I just kept my position size small. So if I lose, then I lose small, right? But then last week, I had 3 out of 4 green days, and they were very significant because when I'm right and I see that things are going according to plan, right? Just like right now, I step on the gas. I add more to it. It's making me money. I'll fuel it more. And as direction continues to be in my favor, I'll continue to make more money. And that's the beautiful thing about trading, is knowing when to step on the gas and knowing when to be light. But just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of, the big focus for this week is this inflation report, which is known as the CPI data report. I will be making follow-up videos on how you can prepare for the CPI data report, as I've made many before, based off of market expectation and the significance of it. So if you haven't watched any of those already, then again, just subscribe to the channel and I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date. But I really do appreciate you guys' time. Again, friendly reminder to even all of our bears out there, just because I think that the market's going to sell off doesn't mean that it has to continue. Never be afraid to lock in profits. No one goes broke by locking in profits. Don't try to be a Reddit trader. Don't try to be an AMC bag holder. Remember, the big mistake that they had is that they never locked in profits. So if you see a potential change of direction and you just want to end up locking in profits, it's never a bad idea to walk away with some money in your pocket. So I wish you guys nothing but the best. Continue working hard. Continue following dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. If you guys have any questions, you guys know exactly where to reach out to me. That's going to be via Discord, and that's that first link in the description down below. And also, don't forget, we're running our biggest sale for Easter, and it's $175 off. It's the second link in the description down below, and every new member gets entered 5,000 times for our GTR giveaway or 50K cash, and there is only a few days left. Well, there's like 50 days left, but again, that's going to enter you 5,000 times, and that's the second link in the description down below. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.